How to make freeze frame clone trail effect in CapCut PC. First, open CapCut, import your video, drag it to the timeline. Now choose a starting point where you want to make a freeze. Drag the holder there and then go to this icon and click on freeze. Now put this freeze part above the video and then extend the duration to match the main footage. Now remove the background of this freeze part. Go to the remove background. Go to the remove background section from right side and click on auto removal. So as we can see, we have created our first freeze frame like this. Now again move the playhead where you want to make another freeze frame. Click on freeze and put it top of the main footage and extend the duration and remove its background. And here is our second freeze frame. Now you can make as many as you want by following this step like this. So that's how you can make freeze frame clone trail effect in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.